Everyone, welcome back to Tech Wall, and today I'm going to do the review of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G. It is expected to launch soon and coming soon, and expected price can be around 22 or 23,000 rupees. And I can say the good things, but bad things will be coming soon after the release. Actually, yeah, because now I know only the good things and the display specifications and that all. The correct date I don't know even the bad things as it didn't launch. So good things is the captivating display, triple camera setup at the rear front or end, and 16 megapixel selfie shooter at the front. MediaTek Dimensity 920 MT8 6877T chipset with the 6 GB of RAM, 4500 mAh battery capacity with the 120 watt of fast charging, and 128 GB of internal storage and fingerprint sensor on the side. So that's all with the good things. And by four, they can buy with these reasons. And there's a verdict that it's a great mid-range variant to invest in, and featuring a little bit of everything that users would probably expect at this price range. Along with a powerful chip and a RAM, the brand has also installed a massive battery, an amazing set of cameras, and a large storage space, facilitating seamless day-to-day activities on the go. It is an impressive or imperative outcome from the Xiaomi for your daily needs. Display and the cameras. This is having 6.67-inch AMOLED front screen comprising a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2408 pixels along with aspect ratio of 20:9. Moreover, the bezel-less display of the design, the device also flaunts a pixel density of 396 ppi pixels per inch and a high refresh rate which is of 120 Hz. On the backside, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G comes with the triple camera setup comprising of 108 megapixels by 1.89 wide angle primary camera and an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and another 2 megapixels by 2.4 cameras, face detections, auto flash, ISO control, autofocus, continuous shooting, and digital zoom. Even the HDR mode, exposure compensation are a few of the main functionalities loaded within. A 16 megapixel primary camera is also present on the front side for selfies. Configurations and the batteries. This is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 920 MT6877T. I said in the by 4 also chipset and an octa-core processor that comprises Cortex A78 and Cortex A55 layout. Moreover, a Mali G68 MC4 GPU and a massive 6 GB of RAM promises exceptional operations. The device derives its operating energy from a 4500 mAh battery capacity lead polymer battery type that is also non-removable by the nature. The particular is even compatible with 120 watt of fast charging technologies, storage and connectivities. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G packs a 120 GB of internal storage. Connectivity wise, the device is packed with the 4 GB of VoLTE and 5 GB 5G network connections beside the USB Type-C, including AGPS, Bluetooth version 5.1, Wi-Fi 802.11, A by B by G by AC, and NFC and mobile hotspot. And there is a variant which is 6 GB of RAM and 120 GB. That is sure, I think. And that's all with the review. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notification because if you turn on notification, you are gonna notified if it's a video and share with your friends, relatives, family members who I know. And that's all. And this is Tech World signing off. Bye bye.